Hello viewers, I'm here once again with a very easy peasy recipe, that is the kulfi. To make the kulfi, we need 2 slices of white bread, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 cups of whipped cream, 160 ml of evaporated milk, 160 ml of condensed milk. I'm going to blend the bread, condensed milk, evaporated milk and the cardamom powder in a blender. We have to blend it until it gets smooth. After blending, I am going to pour the mixture into a bowl and add in the whipping cream. I am using 2 cups of whipping cream. After adding the whipping cream, I'm going to mix it really well so that it gets incorporated with the mixture. Now I'm going to whip the mixture with the help of an electric mixer. I'm going to whip it on high speed for about 1 minute. Now I'm going to cover the container with the lid and keep it in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. Our kulfi is ready to be scooped out in serving bowls. I'm scooping out the kulfi with the help of a spoon dipped in hot water. Our kulfi is ready to be served. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Learning Made Easy Peasy. Press the like button if you like the video and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the recipes as soon as they're uploaded. Enjoy kulfi with your family and friends and don't forget to share it as well. Thank you.